Columbia, Missouri, stands out not just for its vibrant cultural scene and historical landmarks, but also for its robust economic framework, driven by 5 key industries. At the heart of its economy is the healthcare sector. Facilities like the University of Missouri Healthcare and Boone Hospital Center have positioned Columbia as a regional healthcare leader. These institutions, alongside companies like Landmark Hospitals, offer top-tier medical services, making substantial contributions to the community and beyond. Education also plays a pivotal role, led by the University of Missouri. This institution is more than just a hub for students from various states. It's a center for research and innovation, significantly impacting local economic development. Schools like Columbia Public Schools and Stevens College enrich this landscape by providing diverse educational offerings. The manufacturing sector has firm roots here with giants like 3M and Dana Incorporated. These companies leverage Columbia's strategic location and skilled workforce, producing goods that reach domestic and international markets. The technology sector in Columbia is rapidly growing, with companies like Veterans United Home Loans and Carfax at the forefront, driving forward with innovations that promise jobs and a brighter economic future. Lastly, the retail and hospitality industry adds a dynamic layer to the economy, with entities like MBS Textbook Exchange and the Broadway Hotel enhancing Columbia's appeal as a prime destination for shopping and dining. Supporting these industries are critical IT services provided by companies like Onsite. We deliver custom IT solutions that enhance operations and help businesses thrive. Learn more about how these sectors contribute to Columbia's economy and how local businesses leverage IT for growth by visiting our website to read the full article. You can also add this to your Spotify playlist for easier access.